हे हाय सिड, कुछ खाने के लिए पड़ा है क्या? डू यू हैव एनीथिंग टू ईट बड़ी?
अरे रात के 2 बज रहे हैं, अभी क्या दूँ तेरे को खाने को?
Messi Bowl is something that we just recently started, and before this I was working with an IT company. So F&B is something which I have started just recently, 2 months back, and this being a Baroda based franchisee, this is the first one that we have in Pune right now. And just because we have a lot of Maggi lovers in Pune as well, I would like to say that this is something which would be a unique experience for all of them.
Yes.
With almost 30 different flavors in Maggi.
Yeah. और जैसे इन्होंने बोला, हर कॉलेज गोअर और हॉस्टल में रहने वाले की किसी ज़माने में लाइफ लाइन हुआ करती थी मैगी, और मैगी में जब इतना बढ़िया ट्विस्ट मिलता है एंड एट सच अमेजिंग रेट्स, इट इज़ रियली अमेजिंग. So Rupali, can you also tell our viewers the exact location so that they can figure out and they can come here to your place? So just tell them.
This is just opposite to Eon IT Park, and the venue is Global Business Hub. Inside Global Business Hub, shop number 17, and it's just a walking distance for the IT crowd as well as for the residents as well in Kharadi.
Fantastic. So guys, all my foodies, all my food lovers in Viman Nagar and Amanora and Magarpatta and Kalyani Nagar and all across Pune, you need to rush to Kharadi, just in front of the Eon IT Park. You see the background, you can just come here, lounge out here, enjoy yourself, have a lovely drink and with your friends and family who love Maggi. So thank you Rupali, thank you so much. We wish you all the best.
Thank you very
And
much.
guys, मैगी किसको नहीं पसंद है दोस्तों? ऐसा मत बोलना कि आपने नहीं खाई और अनहाइजीनिक है. कम ऑन यार, आ जाओ. So friends, I am inside this lovely cafe called the Messi Bowl in Kharadi, and as I said, they serve about 31 varieties of Maggi. और मेरे सामने आ गई हैं वो 4 शानदार जो कि मैं आज खाने वाला हूँ. उससे पहले मैं आपको दिखाऊँ दोस्तों. So as I told you, this was called the Maggi Wala, which started in 2013. And now it is a very popular brand in the country, and this is their menu. So if you look at it, it's called the Messi Bowl, and I really love this amazing name. So it's a cafe lounge kind of. It serves only vegetarian, so serves only vegetarian food and vegetarian Maggi. And as you see here, they have different types of Maggi which is available. They also serve some pastas, and along with that they have a huge list of drinks. So from this huge list of Maggi, pizza and some lovely things, I have ordered for myself. पहला the lasagna Maggi, दूसरा the mint Maggi, तीसरा the Maggi biryani और the tandoori Maggi. और उसके साथ with the onslaught of the heat in India, what better than to have a watermelon mojito to go along with it. And again something very different that I found here. मैंने बहुत जगह lemon और peach iced tea पी थी, लेकिन first time I came across an orange iced tea. Yes my friends, so this is the orange iced tea. And now let me start with this. The beverage was really hot in Pune right now. Oh wow! So let me now go and dig into this Maggi, and let me go to the most colorful of all those, the tandoori Maggi, because this really looks so tempting and amazing. Oh. So obviously the base is Maggi, and Maggi prepared with various things. On this tandoori, what I can see is capsicum, pieces of paneer, green pepper, bell pepper, onion, and there are some sauces in this, which let me see what those sauces are. Oh. So friends, this is the regular masala Maggi, and in the regular masala Maggi they put in some tandoor flavors, so there are the tandoor sauces probably going in it with a lot of these veggies. Again, it's spicy but really amazing taste. So after that tandoori Maggi, I have something called the biryani Maggi, or the Maggi biryani. Now this is garnished with a lot of coriander or cilantro at the top, and some rice as well that I see here. But this Maggi again looks spicy. Again, as I said, the regular masala Maggi. But it smells of biryani. Oh, this is quite a unique and a different flavor. This is onion and a biryani masala, which has gone into this, which is really good and flavorsome. So after having the biryani, the Maggi biryani, I am come to get another dish, which I was very excited when I saw it in the menu, which was the mint Maggi. So I just want to see how and what is the taste of this mint Maggi. Oh, this is the closest to the original Maggi, with a slight flavor of the mint leaves, and this is really soothing. This I personally like it. It was a little milder, but a lovely mint flavor. And friends, after a lovely minty Maggi, the last and not the least, the Maggi lasagna. And this anyways smells of lovely cheese and the seasoning that has gone on top of it. So I'm sure I'm in for a cheesy extravaganza. And let me see. So yes, as you can see, there's this layer of there's a layer of this cheese, and under this there are lasagna sheets. The lasagna sheets and Maggi filled in it with cheesy sauce, and the cheese at the top with the seasoning. Oh, this ought to be lovely. For cheese lovers, pizza lovers, this is paradise. So friends, it's been a lovely experience. The 4 Maggis that I tried, ये बहुत ही different और बहुत ही tasty थे. So guys, I really had a treat, क्योंकि रोज दाल चावल, दाल रोटी या नान या चिकन खा के अगर आप बोर हो गए हैं, और अगर आप एक्चुअली कुछ डिफरेंट खाना चाहते हैं, और स्पेशली वो खाना चाहते हैं जो हम सबके बचपन में हमारा एक फेवरेट खाना हुआ करता था, और कॉलेज के टाइम में हमारी लाइफलाइन हुआ करता था, मैगी, एंड यू वांट टू हैव अ ट्विस्ट इन दैट मैगी, यू नीड टू कम टू दिस प्लेस कॉल्ड द मेसी बोल इन खराड़ी. सो दोस्तों, अगर इफ यू लाइक द वीडियो एंड इफ यू आर इन लव विद मैगी, please go ahead and give us a big like, share it with your friends and family and all the people that you know love Maggi, and share. And if you're not subscribed to our channel, please do it now. If you're already a subscriber, share it with everyone. I hope you do well, enjoy yourself, have fun, eat lovely food. This is Sarthak, and see you again from a new location. Ciao.